The 2017 Ford F-150 EcoBoost V-6 is a popular truck for good reason, but like any vehicle, it has its flaws. Let's talk about some of the drawbacks that potential buyers should keep in mind before making a decision. One of the main concerns with the EcoBoost V6 is long-term reliability. While the twin-turbocharged engine offers great performance, turbocharged engines are more complex than naturally aspirated ones, which can lead to more expensive repairs down the road. Some owners have reported issues with the turbos themselves, including failures and oil leaks. While these problems don't affect every vehicle, they're worth considering, especially if you plan to keep the truck for many years. Another flaw that stands out is the fuel efficiency. While Ford markets the EcoBoost V6 as a more fuel-efficient option compared to a traditional V8, the real-world numbers don't always reflect that promise. When you're towing or driving with a heavy load, the fuel economy can drop significantly, and you may not see the savings you expect. In fact, under certain conditions, the EcoBoost V6 can end up using just as much fuel as a larger V8. The aluminum body is another point of debate. While the lighter weight helps with performance and fuel efficiency, aluminum is more expensive to repair than steel. If you get into a minor fender bender, the repair costs can be higher, because aluminum is more difficult to work with and requires special tools. There are also concerns about the durability of the aluminum body in the long term, especially if the truck is used in rough environments, where it could be exposed to dings, dents, and corrosion. Speaking of the body, some owners have reported that the F-150's build quality can feel a bit inconsistent. This can show up in the form of rattles and squeaks from the cabin, especially after the truck has been driven for a while. While this isn't a deal breaker, it can be annoying, particularly for a vehicle at this price point. The 10-speed automatic transmission, while praised for its smooth shifts, can sometimes feel hesitant. There have been complaints about delayed shifts or rough gear changes, especially when driving at low speeds or under heavy acceleration. Lastly, price is something to think about. The 2017 F-150 EcoBoost V6 is not the cheapest option in the full-size truck market. When you start adding options like the higher trims, advanced safety features, and technology packages, the price can climb quickly. For some buyers, this could push it into the range of more powerful trucks or luxury brands, leading them to question whether the F-150 offers the best value for money. So, while the 2017 Ford F-150 EcoBoost V6 has a lot to offer, it's important to be aware of its potential flaws. If you're thinking about buying one, consider how these factors might affect you in the long run and whether the benefits outweigh the drawbacks.